guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into this video. So today I have a Gershwin's polygel kit. They were nice enough to send me this kit for free, and I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys, and I'll leave the links to where you can buy this just in case you're interested down below. We have a 180 grit hand file, then it comes with some dual forms, a thank you card, and it also comes with step-by-step instructions. So if you are a beginner, I really advise you looking over this. And then it comes with some nail forms, which is a good amount. And then it comes with the standard brush and spatula. And then next we have this very pretty rhinestone picker, a wax pen. I'm so happy that this was included in the kit because I always wanted one of these little pretty rhinestone pickers, but I just never got one. And then next we have some rhinestones. These are AB crystals. The shine is really nice, and then it comes with large ones, medium and small, so I really like that about this. And then of course we have our base and top coat, which comes in every kit. And then next we have nail surface cleaner and nail slip solution. So it's a 2-in-1 formula, and it is also a 50 milliliter bottle, so I think that is good because the other polygel kits, their slip solution is very small bottles. And then next we have the polygels. We have 6 different colors. They aren't like named, they go by numbers, so it's just 1 to 6. And I'm just gonna swatch these colors for you guys. The size of the polygel tubes are big as well. They are 30 milliliters compared to the other brands that are so much bigger. And this is their nude collection. So far I think all these colors are very pretty. I really love that burgundy color, and these are how they look uncured. And then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds and then show you. It's not a big difference, but yeah, I just felt like I should just include it in the video. So to start off this set, I'm starting off with my nails, and on my nails here I have some Beetles Jelly glitter polish. I just decided not to take it off. I can just use it as a protector for my natural nails, but I am going to take the hand file that came in the kit and just roughen up the tip of my nails. And then to apply these nail tips, I decided not to use glue. I'm going to use some base coat gel. I've been seeing people use this, and this is my first time trying this, so I just decided to do that. And it's just like the press dupe method, but instead I'm using tips. So you just apply a little bit of gel polish into the nail, apply it to the nail, and just let it cure in the nail lamp. I flash cured these for like 15 seconds and then move on to the next nail. And then once they were finished, I did a final 60 cure for these. And then I just cut my nails to my desired length, and then I'm gonna file. I wanted a square shape, so I didn't have to do too much filing, so I just kind of, just did a little bit of filing, and then I also did the free edge. And then once I do that, I'm gonna file the surface of the nails and blend in the tips with my natural nail. And so once we have all of that done, I'm going to take some base coat gel and just put a layer over the entire nails, of all the nails, and then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. And then once it's out of the light, I decided to go with the number 6, and then I'm also going to use the slip solution. I'm just putting a little bit into the cap. So I'm just adding a bead of polygel to my nails near the cuticle area, and then I'm just going to dip my brush in the slip solution, and then I'm just going to pat that polygel into place, making sure that I get near the cuticle. And then I'm going to drag the excess polygel down into a V shape because I will be doing a V French tip for this look. And it's better to look at it because I'm terrible at explaining things, but as you can see in the video, I'm just making the shape into a V. And basically what I wanted to do is just get down my foundation, and once I felt like it was good enough, I'm just gonna take my hand file and just kind of clean up the V area, the lines on the sides, and you'll see what I do in the video. So I didn't realize while I was doing the set, but now that I'm like looking back over it, I do kind of wish that I made the points on my pinky finger a little bit more pointier instead of rounded. But yeah, it didn't really like mess up the design or anything, but I just wish it was a little bit more pointy. And I'm going to the ring finger doing the same thing, making sure that my foundation is good, and then I'm gonna go clean up any areas. And once I do this for these nails, I will like go back and add more if I feel like it's needed. Once I got that nail done, I didn't know what I was gonna do for the middle finger, but when I put it on, I started like to pat the cuticle into place, and then like the way I put it on, I was like, okay, so maybe I can make this into a heart. So I started to like form like a negative space heart. And so once I cured that, I move on to the next nail, and this nail will also be the same way, but obviously it will be turned the other way, so that way both of these nails can make a heart together. So I'm just putting some polygel on the nail, and then while doing this, I also make sure to line it up, making sure that it's even with the other one. And so far working with this polygel, I feel like the consistency of it is very, very nice. You can easily move it around the nail without it being like so all over the place. You can easily control it. And I feel like the slip solution working together with this polygel just makes it even better. Also, if you want like nudes or like neutral colors, this kit is so perfect for that. And I will make sure that I leave the link to where you can get this kit in the description box below. So once I felt like the nails were good enough, I also did the thumb like I did the pinky and ring finger. And then I'm going to take some of that surface cleaner 2-in-1 formula and just wipe off the nails. And this is how they are looking so far. And then next I'm going to take these heart confettis. I got these from Walmart. I'm just going to apply these by putting on some base coat to my nails. And then without curing, I'm going to stick these heart confettis into the wet gel. When I was applying these, I was thinking to myself that these are giving me very much Femi Beauty vibes, because as you know, if you watch her channel, she always does these types of nails, and I just love her channel so much. And this is how it looks so far. And then I cured this for like 15 to 20 seconds, and while it was in the light, I was thinking maybe I should add some glitter to it. So I got this holographic glitter that I got in a Model 1's kit actually. Since I had already cured it, I need something wet for it to stick to, so I'm just applying some more base coat, and then I'm just gonna put these into like these spaces where there are no hearts. But on the next nail, I will go in first with the glitter, so that way it will already be applied. I'm just putting some base coat on the nail, added some glitter, and then apply some of these heart confettis. was done applying these heart confettis and my glitter, I'm just gonna cap these nails with some clear polygel. And it wasn't really much to show because it's just clear, but I don't know, maybe some of you would like to see this, so I just decided to keep in one nail. So once I got those 3 nails encapsulated, I'm moving on to the next nail. So I'm just gonna add some base coat to the nails, and at first I was just gonna do glitter in these hearts, but after like a long 15 minutes of thinking, I just decided to do these two the same way that I did the other nails. So I'm just gonna apply some glitter and then also put some more little heart confettis in there and then encapsulate with the clear polygel. If you're still watching up to here, I just want to say thank you so much. And in my last video, I said that I was going to do a 400 subscriber giveaway, and I have met 400 subscribers, but since Gershwin was nice enough to send me this kit for free, I just wanted to make this video strictly about their products, you know, their polygel kit. So in my next video, I will mention the giveaway and do all the rules and stuff, so make sure that you are subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that you know when I post a video. But once I got all of these nails encapsulated, I'm just going to take the 2-in-1 formula, slip solution, and nail surface cleaner. I'm just going to wipe off the nails, remove the sticky layer, and then I'm also going to take the hand file and just shape the nails, reshaping the sides, the free edge, and also smooth out the surface of the nails. And when doing this, you don't really need a nail drill because polygel is rather soft, so you can just use a hand file. So if you don't have a nail drill, you can still do polygel nails. When filing, I'm only going to show one because I did my filing off camera because I really wanted to like take my time and just file because I wanted these nails to be perfect. But next, once I finish my filing, I'm going in with my buffer to remove any scratches from the nails. So next, we're going to be adding some bling to these nails. So I'm taking some rhinestone glue and just outlining the heart where I want the rhinestones to be, and then over that I'm going in with some top coat, and then I'm just going to apply the rhinestones. Once I got these rhinestones into place, I flash cured it for 15 seconds and then went on to the middle finger and did the same thing. And I'm also putting some on my thumb, and this same design that's on my thumb will also go on my pinky and ring finger as well. So once I got all of these rhinestones on, these are how the nails are looking so far. And as you can see, when you line these two up, they make a complete heart, which I feel like is so pretty. And then next I'm going in with some top coat. I'm going to top the nails, and since they are clear, I'm going to go underneath the nail and also put some top coat underneath. And then once I got these out the light, I added my cuticle oil, and these are how the nails turn out. But I did notice that like my middle finger was a little bit shorter because when you line it up, it is not like the same length. but it's not too much of a distraction. I feel like these nails still turned out so good. I like these little heart confettis in it. I feel like it adds such a good touch to these nails. It looks so complicated, but it's really not. Wait just a few more seconds just so you can see how they look in natural sunlight. And if you have watched this video until the end, I just want to say thank you as always. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.